Hey everybody, it's Kim of Jolie Noire. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how I got these awesome curls, these voluminous curls that are so pretty and so on for the summer. Like, I know it's getting hot and stuff like that, or it's hot now. In Atlanta, it's hot. But these are perfect curls for the summer when you're indoors and you're not doing anything, because otherwise you want your hair up. If you guys want to see how I got this hairstyle, keep watching. But before you keep watching, don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can always know when we upload a video. Let's get started. So as I mentioned earlier, I am doing a video on how I got those fluffy, pretty curls for our Jolie Noire product shoot that we did a couple of weeks ago. A lot of people really liked that hairstyle and they really liked the hair, and some people wanted to know how I got the hairstyle. I'm going to show you guys how I got it. So what I normally do, I start by curling my hair. I did it with a curling wand. If you haven't seen how I do my wand curls, then I do have a video on that. I'm showing you how I got her curls, and I can link that down in the description, as well as have it in the playlist at the end of this video. What I do, I curl it and I curl it all over. Then they don't have to necessarily be all the way cooled down, although they are right now. And then I take my, this is my bag of FLEXI rods. And I take these, so I have the orange, the pink, and the purple ones. The purple ones I put in the back, and then I kind of fill in as I go. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, get these out of the bag, and get my hair rolled up for tomorrow. So what I do first is I just start by sectioning my hair off, much like when I'm doing my own hair. And the reason why I curl it before putting it in rollers is because it really helps the hair rather, to wrap around the FLEXI rod, because coming from straight hair, it's just a little bit more difficult to do that and to get all the pieces to lay right on the rod, because you really want it to lay right. I start from the bottom and I put all this up. So it doesn't really matter if your curls kind of fall or anything like that, because you have the purpose of the curls right now, which is to help with wrapping the hair around the FLEXI rod. I'm gonna kind of finger comb through, and I do fairly large sections because I don't have a whole lot of rollers. You don't really need a whole lot. And then so I go about almost all the way down, and then I just twist. So I'm wrapping around and twisting, and then go up. And then so I just go, I take another section, another purple roller, about midway, wrap, all the way down to the end, making sure that end is in the hair, is like tucked under here so that it can stay. And then I like close it shut. And it doesn't really matter what direction you do it in. I'm not real big on direction. And I do like to fold them going up because that helps to secure it and it doesn't kind of start falling out. I'd like to save some for the front at the bottom so that all the ends can be the same, and then I work my way at the top part of the head with the smaller FLEXI rods. And so for these, for the smaller ones and for the top, I do like to start a little bit higher than what I started down at the bottom, because these are going to be actually seen. And so we want those to be a little bit more uniform, a little bit neater than the ones under. So now that I'm at the front, I'm gonna go ahead and take another purple one, going a little bit higher this time. And so really that's all. Like, it's so easy, so simple. It may have taken me about 10 minutes to do that. And this is really good if you're trying to keep low heat, like you're not trying to put a whole lot of heat on your leave out, or you don't have a whole lot of time the next day to get your hair together, to curl it and things like that. It's a really good way to prep before, you know, the night before for your next day. So it's really cut out a couple of steps for me a lot of times. What I usually do is I put my bonnet on over this, and then I go to sleep, of course. Then the next morning I take it down, or depending on what, you know, if it's like the weekend or something, I'll wait a longer time to take it down. But usually the curls are really nice and tight. What I'm gonna do in the morning, I'm gonna come back, show you guys how I pick my hair. So keep watching so that you can see the end result. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. I tried something out new with my makeup. I did an inspired look by the movie Little, and it is a look that Regina Hall was wearing. And so at the end of the video, at the end of the movie rather. So if you want to see how I got this look with my eyes and my lips, I do have that video coming. It should be coming up within the next week or so. But let's go ahead and get into taking this hair down. So I usually start the way that I put them up. I start in the back. For some reason, even though they've been up for quite a while, I still think that taking them down in the same order, the ones that have been up longer, they've had more time to set. And you see how tight the curls are? They're almost like it's a lot tighter than they were when I curled them, but they're not as tight up here, which is really good for me because I want the length. I want to retain the length. I don't want it to still be, you know, too far up there when when everything is done, because I don't want like scrunched up hair. So now that the rollers are all out of my hair, what I usually do, usually because my hair is natural, I have to do some sort of, just a little bit of light heat to kind of get the roots to kind of lay down a little bit. And so I just went off camera to do that. And then I also combed these, my leave out a little bit to kind of blend it and make it go back over the tracks. So that's what I'm continuing to do here. Then I take my pick, and then I work with each side, one side at a time, and I just pick. And I really like these curls. I kind of just pick it apart a lot better than just regular wand curls sometimes, because they tend to fall a lot slower than the just wanding the curls, especially now that summer is coming, you know, things like that. You want something that's going to combat that heat. So that's that side. These are the curls. Not done yet. And then I also just pull them apart, so that I don't usually comb through these because I don't want to lose the curl too quickly, because even though I rolled them, it does make it lose its curl pretty fast. So I'm just going to bring this back here. It's pretty much done. And then I'm going to do this side. So here are the curls. They are so fluffy. They have lots of volume. Huge hair. I love huge hair. I'm thinking about getting another bundle added because I want even bigger hair the next time. But yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, for this time, it is so pretty. Like, so fluffy, so full. Now with these curls, the curls do go just like to here instead of right under the bust line, because they are of course tighter. And then I do usually add a spritz of holding spray, but I don't have it in here with me right now. So, and then I'm not really doing anything special to where I would need that. If you guys like this, comment below and let me know how you guys, what you guys think about this and if you're gonna do it. If you do it, let me know. Tag me, you know, in Instagram, JolieNoire, or JolieNoire Apparel, Keys to Looks Life, you know, all of that good stuff. Tag me, let me know. If you want to see this makeup look, it is a look, like I said, that I got I got inspiration from for the movie Little. And I actually love it. I've not done anything like this before. And so I really love it. I think it's gonna be one of those things. It's for the summer. I've been wanting to do a lot more color. I've been wanting to implement a lot more color into my eye looks anyways. And so I've been doing that for sure. Turn on the notification bell. Keep watching our videos. That way you'll be notified when we do upload a video and you'll be able to see that look. So thank you guys again for watching. Have a good one.